This is Porthcawl. Okay, so we're with Gillian today down at Porthcawl on the beach. Gillian, when do you like coming down to Porthcawl?
One is local. We're only about 30-40 minutes away. We come down from the valleys, and so it's easy to get to. The other thing is we've always come here as well. I came obviously as a little one with my mother and father and my brother and sister. Brought my own children. We're on grandchildren now, so we bring them along.
So what's your vivid memories then, going back now perhaps 20 or 30 years if you come here? What was the main thing in Porthcawl?
The beach, definitely the beach. And then obviously you've got to wait then until the end of the day before you can go up to the fair.
So did you have a caravan down here?
My mother and father had a caravan later on. That was when we had grandchildren then, so we used to have one, but it was in Sandy Bay, but of course Sandy Bay is gone now, which I think is a shame.
So you remember the bikes then, the old green bikes?
Definitely, yeah, you had to go cycling around and everything. And
what about the Dirty Duck? Do you ever go to the Dirty Duck?
On the Dirty Duck, yes. Yeah, definitely.
Because that was the place to go, wasn't it? Everybody went to the Dirty Duck.
Yes, definitely. But no, it's just brings good memories back, family times, and it's simple, bring a picnic down.
Because traditionally it was like the miners' fortnight, wasn't it? And everybody used to come down to Porthcawl.
Yeah, definitely. Always had a bus trip from Tylerstown Workmans. Came down then with everybody else, big circle where everybody just had kids in the middle until it was fair time and then.
So if you had a caravan then, you're bound to remember the gas mantles before electric?
Yeah, definitely. There was obviously no, like now they got lovely toilets and showers and all that. There was sort of none of that. Like I said, it was all the gas lamps, and you had to go then to the toilet block, go and have a shower.
Well, thanks for speaking to us today.
No problem.
And enjoy the rest of your day.
Shall do, thank you very much.
Hi, well I'm here down with Dan at the moment with the donkeys. Just going to ask him a few questions now about the donkeys and working on Porthcawl Beach. Hi Dan, how long have you worked for the donkeys?
6 years now. 6 summer I've been down here, yeah.
Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, I love it. I keep on coming back anyway every season, so can't be too bad.
How long have the donkeys been here?
Over 100 years, I think. When the fair opened, all those years ago, like.
And have they all got different personalities?
Oh, all individuals, every single one of them, yeah.
So what's the most difficult to work with then, the horses or the donkeys?
Probably with the horses, because the donkeys, they're happy doing anything. For the horses, I mean, they got big personality and they're big animals.
So the donkeys are a little bit more mellow than the horses?
Just chilled out, just get on with it.
That's great. So you're going to be here for a few more years yet then?
Probably, yeah. Probably. Yeah, I would have thought so. And Joe.
I'm speaking with Margaret and Olivia down at Porthcawl today, just to ask the memories and why they're in Porthcawl. So ladies, what's your fondest memory of Porthcawl?
When Theodore had it, we had a caravan up there, gas caravan. And everybody was very, very friendly. They were all the same, nobody had money. You had the water outside with steps and that.
So you had to go and collect the water, I can remember that. You had to go and collect it in a drum, wasn't it?
To all the toilets and that, and you know, and it was really nice, it was. And
so what do you find's changed then? What do you think has changed in Porthcawl?
posh.
Yeah, and money. God, the money you go through is nobody's business, I'm telling you. Well, not so posh, no, but I mean it costs.
Everything costs.
To bring 2 children here now, you need a couple of £100.
They can't run around and play like they used to, you know, it's too many.
And when we
keep
came
off
with the
grass.
chapel outings, we'd be on that beach with our packs of sandwiches, our buckets and spades, and very rare, we'd go up the fair, wouldn't it, Mark?
Yeah.
I know the fair is quite expensive now, isn't it, for the children to go on?
We come from the valleys, like, you know, so it was either on a coach out, and we didn't have cars then.
Because people used to come down in the miners' fortnight, wasn't it, when the miners broke up. Was that the time you used to come down around those times?
Yeah. And there was as many dogs as well there was people.
And Butlins,
So how did you actually get down here then? Did you come down in the bus or did you come in the car?
the bus passes today. We got bus passes. Where we used to come on coach. Yeah,
Coach trips and the Sunday
trips
school
with the clubs.
and things like that.
They were coach trips for the day and things, were they, with the schools?
Yes.
Men clubs and the chapel, kids chapel. Come down on the chapel.
Well, thanks for speaking to me today. It's nice to hear the old stories.
It was nice, you know, when you go up there now, it's lovely, I'm not saying. But it's like, keep off the grass, the children can't play out like they used to before, like, you know. So,
Okay, thanks anyway girls, nice speaking to you.
yeah.
Okay, so I'm with Wayne and Maria today down at Porthcawl. Yeah, best memory of Porthcawl?
Oh, best memory of Porthcawl is probably when the whole family's here. When we normally get an extended family here, normally for the Elvis Festival. And
So do you come down especially for the Elvis Festival, or do you just come down and that's going on?
we come down all the time, don't we?
Yeah, we started coming for the Elvis Festival probably 15 years ago now, and we started holidaying here, and then obviously we had kids and they've started holidaying.
Grandparents come.
Yeah,
ask them.
So do you actually dress up for the Elvis Festival?
I have done, yeah.
Yeah.
I have done, yeah.
Just got a little 50s dress. you
Yeah,
come
yeah.
in.
So you enjoy that weekend then?
Yeah, it's good when we get all the family together, yeah.
So do you stay in the caravan or do you stay in a guest house?
We normally stay either in Treco Bay, or my mum and dad have got a caravan at Rodwell, so we stay there as well.
So how many years would you say you've been coming down to Porthcawl?
Probably
About
15 years.
yeah.
So what have you seen changes? What have you noticed?
Well,
Oh.
we were talking about it yesterday, actually, weren't
Saying how much it's picked up, like with the build of the harbour, how much money's been spent on the front, and we've just seen it. I don't want to speak badly of it at the beginning, but we've seen so much money and investment here, and it's really is a nice place to come to.
Yeah, because it's nice now with the marina up the top as well, isn't it?
Yeah,
We'll
used
be
to
around
really
there with the
quiet,
restaurants and
didn't
bars,
it?
yeah.
When we first come, it was like a bit of a ghost town sort of thing some of the times we come, but now, I actually said today, this is probably one of the busiest times I've seen it other than the Elvis Festival.
Yeah, it is quite busy today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, thanks for speaking to us and enjoy the Elvis Festival.
I'm sure we will.
We will.
I'm sure we will.
Thanks guys.
All right,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, so we're near the marina today now in Porthcawl. What's your favourite thing about Porthcawl?
I think it's a beach, I think, yeah. The beach?
Do you like going to the beach, yeah?
Yes, I like beach.
Where do you like to go to eat?
Yeah, we just went to the 00 Pizza. I did a nice
Okay,
one,
so
yeah.
That's
That
the one,
one,
that's
yeah.
the one over there.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Yeah, we tried a couple of times and it's pretty good.
Okay, how long have you been coming to Porthcawl then?
Oh God, maybe sort of 10 years. Yeah. I mean, we from Cardiff, obviously. So we like Rest Bay. Yeah, and then you can see the changing, and then because they made this walk and very nice boardwalk there. So
Okay, so do you stay in Porthcawl in a guest house or do you stay in a caravan or do you just go?
we in Cardiff. Normally we come here, we drive to here, and then we just do daytime walking around.
So have you seen the Elvis Festival at all, which is coming up next
We
month?
did.
By chance.
Last
by
year, I
chance.
think. Last year, yeah.
We didn't know, but by chance when we're walking along to here, Marina, so we...
Because it's everywhere, isn't it? It's,
yeah,
it's
it was, yeah. I think...
1,000 people.
yeah, it was very busy.
Last year we
Yeah, what's last year?
So are you going to come this year?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure because we don't know the date, you know, exactly
Yeah,
the
we
date.
will have to check to find a
Yeah.
date. Do you know the date?
I'm not sure. I know it's in September. I think it's around the middle.
September.
I think if you call into the High Tide, which is the
Yeah.
pub at the end,
Yeah.
they arrange a lot, so they would know the date.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, we may.
So enjoy your weekend down at Elvis.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you very
Thank you
much.
very
yeah.
much.
All
Yeah.
right.
Okay, we're with Kevin and Diane. What's the best thing about Porthcawl, Diane?
The beach, sunshine, lovely. I love it.
Oh, good old days when when we had the tent site down there, down in various sandy bay down there. That's my earliest memories of that. Excellent.
So you remember the green bikes as well, Emily, the three-wheel bike?
I do indeed remember the green bikes. They were excellent, and of course with the miners fortnight, we virtually had full of valley people as well, wasn't it? You know. I remember the glass mantles, that's all we had, unfortunately, but they kept breaking down every time. No electric whatsoever, no toilet facilities, only what was there on site. From that standing pipe which was outside, my friend. Lovely. Everybody done the same. Nobody had any different. Everybody was treated the same. We all done it. And the only thing we could say then was, Croeso I Porthcawl. At that particular time, or then, or that particular time, boy, that was on site then. That was the Dirty Duck. It was, yes, indeed. Now, of course, the facilities which they got there, and I think the campsite, I think, is phenomenal. It's lovely and clean. They spent a lot of money there, but money well spent.
One word, best thing about Porthcawl.
Best thing about Porthcawl, the weather.
Best thing about Porthcawl?
Sea.
Best thing about Porthcawl?
Yeah, food.
The sea.
The pubs.
The sun. Fish and chips.
Weather.
Fish and chips.
What's the best thing about Porthcawl then?
The Porthcawl
it's bloody
Marine,
brilliant.
the bar at the Marine is the finest bar you've ever seen. They've got a granite worktop, right? And honestly,
I love
the way the Treacle Bay is not
I
bad.
stay in Treacle Bay personally in a caravan now, but I buy
Yeah, it's not bad at
Did you
all.
have a caravan over there before?
Many months.
Every year I go on a summer holiday to Treacle Bay, and I think it's very good.
Oh, it's a stunning place. I tell you what, and the variety of people you get down to Treacle Bay.
With Amanda and Andrew. Amanda, what's the best thing about Porthcawl?
Definitely the beach.
Entertainment for the kids.
And you?
Yeah, kids. I would say the beach because I like to play and build sandcastles and then swim in the sea.
Well, that's quite a good reason.